Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. If you watch my channel, you know I got some new Milwaukee tools, and I'm going to build a shelf to go right over there to put my Milwaukee tools on, and I think I'm going to try and mount the charger on the wall also. So I had this shelf board left over, and I went and bought a couple of brackets. We got our stud finder. I'm not sure I'm going to find the studs in the right places, so I might have to do something there. Anyway, let's measure and cut this board first. Okay, so I made my cut, about 39.5 I think is what I used. So I wanted to fill up this whole space. Now for my left bracket, I'm going to put it all the way to the end because I want to be able to leave the lid open on this chest. So I'm going to put one there, and then I'm going to have to do some kind of reinforcing board to be able to put one over there. And I think that'll work out okay. So I want to get through the wall board and into the stud. So I think those are about 1 3/4. That should do it. I love this little 90-degree angle thing, so I can get in tight places like that. You've got to have one of these. So that went into studs. Now this one's going to go into a whole lot of nothing, I think. So I'm going to have to put a backer board, a reinforcing board that I'll screw into. So let me find a little scrap of wood here. I also want to make it the right size so I can put that right in the middle of your screen, that charger. I want to mount it on the wall. Alrighty then, let me get you caught up here. So I cut a backing piece here, and I put about 5 or 6 screws in there so that my bracket and my charger could go into something solid, because this is just drywall. Let's see if this will come off. Oh, there it is. Okay. So there's the 2 screws that hold that in there. That just slots on. See the slots? So we'll plug that in there, and we've got charger without taking up shelf space. Okay, that was the whole point of that. And I might actually do that over here with this one, the Ryobi charger, but that's another project. So now I can put my Milwaukee stuff up here. I got to put a couple more short screws to hold this down so it doesn't go anywhere. Earthquake proof it. And that's about it. What else can I show you that would help? Mainly the trick was this backing plate. You know, I used a little level and I leveled everything out. Got the brackets to clear the top of the toolbox, and I'll give you one more shot after I put all the tools on there. Well, I think that's about it for now. I've got to put a couple little screws underneath there, but I don't have the right size, so another trip to the big box hardware store, and now I've got a shelf for my Milwaukee tools, which keeps them off of the workbench, and I'm really trying to keep the workbench pretty clear. So give me a thumbs up or like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Be safe, have fun. If you want notifications, click on that little bell next to the subscribe. Okay, see ya. Bye-bye.